Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Compass oil light. To begin, turn your ignition to the on position, but make sure you do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. Finally, turn the ignition to the off position. This simple sequence should clear the oil change reminder, making it a quick and easy process to get that light off your dashboard. After performing the reset, start your engine to confirm the oil change light is no longer illuminated. If the light persists, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure, paying close attention to the timing of your pedal presses. Also, always ensure your engine oil level is correct after any oil change for optimal vehicle health. It's important to understand that your oil change light is primarily a maintenance reminder, not an indicator of low oil pressure or an immediate problem. It simply signals that it's time for your next scheduled service. Performing regular oil changes is absolutely crucial for maintaining your engine's longevity and ensuring its best performance over time. Beyond resetting the light, remember to check your oil level monthly and always before any long trips. Adhering to your vehicle's recommended oil change intervals is vital for preventing wear and tear. For other helpful items, like making meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for a link and other great deals. Keeping up with these simple steps will help your Jeep run smoothly for many miles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.